Just to the outer band of this hurricane. Ah, lucky we all took care of our houses, board up, safe. Everything is safe in the house, except me being outside, you know. But gotta get some good videos for the folks. Folks, be safe and look out for each other once this thing is done. We need to help each other out, recuperate, fix whatever broke, whatever came down. No price gouging, because people going through a hard one already. So let's not take advantage of the situation. Let's help each other. This will come and go pretty fast, and it will make us a little stronger. You gotta keep all the police officers, firefighters, and the ambulance drivers and the doctors safe to be able to provide and give to those that need it and got hurt. Folks, it's the last little video I'm gonna put up for now. It gets a little serious. Hear the wind. Hear the wind coming. Strong wind. That tree is getting destroyed. The other branch fell, you see? Thank God. At least they ain't falling in the poor little guy's house.